Hi, I'm Lucas. I'm your loft checker. Today we're at an apartment with 4 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms. It is a huge apartment at Sanchong, and it is in a condo, so you can use elevators, and also there are front balcony and back balconies for you to use. And let's go check it out. Okay, so this is the front door. When you walk in, you can see the very big apartment it is. So there is a living room. There's a living room and a front balcony. Right here is the dining room. And there are 4 bedrooms. This is number 1. Number 2, and this one is a master bedroom, and 4. And here is a shared bathroom and a kitchen and a back balcony. We'll start from the living room. So when you walk in, there's a big little hallway. You can put your stuff and change your shoes. And there's a Xiaomi vacuum machine, vacuum robot. And so in the living room there are 3 couches and 2 chairs and a coffee table and a TV. And here is some shelves. Okay. And over there, that is the AC. And here is the front balcony, but you can also use it to dry your clothes. You can see a very good view from here. Alright. So from this angle, so let's move to the dining room. There you can see 6 chairs. So it's very good for family and friends to hang out. And there's some kitchen utilities and some cups, mugs and glasses right here. And a kettle, rice maker, and a toaster. And over here is room number 1. It's a Japanese style room. You can lift it up or put it down and use the mattress, like sleep on the mattress. And there's a AC and 2 chairs and a desk, long desk. Alright. From this angle, this is a Japanese style room. Yeah, just use this. And it will go down and go up. Okay. Let's check out the other room over here. This is a big room with 2 double beds, so it's great for little friends or sisters or brothers to squeeze in. Yeah, there's 1 single bed and 1 double bed, and an AC right here, and a desk, and a chair, and a mirror, and some storage space here, and a lot of closets. All of these. And these are the closets. Okay, so let's go to the next room. Let's check out the kitchen first.